In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 15 centimeters, angle B is equal to 30 degrees, and BC is equal to 20 centimeters. So here we have this triangle, and our goal is to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Now, in order to calculate this area, we're going to use this formula. And the formula says that area is equal to a half AB multiplied by sine C. And so here we have that A is equal to 15 centimeters. So we have a half A, which is equal to 15 centimeters, times B, which is equal to 20 centimeters, times sine of C, but in this case, C is 30 degrees. And so we have a half multiplied by 15 centimeters multiplied by 20 centimeters multiplied by sine of 30 degrees. Next, we're gonna say a half multiplied by 15 multiplied by 20. And what is a half multiplied by 15 times 20? Well, that gives us 150, right? 150 centimeters squared. But what is sine of 30? Well, sine of 30 is 0.5. And so we're gonna multiply 150 centimeters squared by 0.5. And 150 centimeters squared multiplied by 0.5 is 75 centimeters squared. So that means that the area of triangle ABC is 75 centimeters squared. Next, we need to figure out the area of triangle PQR. Now, what did they tell us? They said that triangle ABC is enlarged by scale factor 3 to form triangle PQR. Calculate the area of triangle PQR. Now, in order to do that, what we need to do is, in order to find the area of triangle PQR, we're going to, what did they tell us? They tell us that ABC is enlarged by scale factor 3. So that means that we're gonna take this length, right? This length and enlarge it, all right? So we're gonna multiply it by the scale factor, which is 3, all right? Also we have 3 times 15, right? And we're gonna take 20 and multiply it by the scale factor, which is 3. So multiply it by 3. So we have 20 multiplied by 3, and 20 multiplied by 3 is going to be what we have expressed here. And so what we essentially have is we have a new triangle, a bigger triangle, right? Wherein the length of this side is going to be 15, right? Multiplied by 3, right? And the length of this side, which is a much longer side, is going to be 20 multiplied by 3. And we're going to have the same angle, right, which is 30 degrees. That's okay, and then we have this. And so if we have a triangle, we're trying to find the area, we're going to say, okay, area is going to be equal to what? A half A, which is going to be, in this case, A is 15 times 3, right? So a half A, which is 15 times 3, multiplied by B, which is 20 times 3, right? Or 3 times 20, multiplied by sine of C. And in this case, C is 30 degrees, all right? And so that's how we have our answer. We have a half, right? We have a half multiplied by A, which is 3 times 15, multiplied by B, which is 3 times 20, multiplied by sine C, where C is the angle 30, okay? So with that in mind, all right, we're going to complete the computations. And so we have to say, okay, well, what is 3 times 15? Well, 3 times 15 is 45 centimeters. And what is 3 times 20? Well, 3 times 20 is 60 centimeters. And so we have a half multiplied by 45, multiplied by 60, multiplied by sine of 30. And what does that give us? Well, that gives us a half multiplied by 45, multiplied by 60. When we multiply these, we get 1,350 centimeters squared. And sine of 30 is 0.5, so we have 0.5 multiplied by 1,350 centimeters squared. So angle PQR is equal to 600 so the area of triangle PQR, again, the area of triangle PQR is equal to 675 centimeters squared. And that's the answer to this question.